Hey guys, Sarah Green from Tax Rep Network. Commonly asked question from enrolled agents and CPAs and other tax preparers. Do I need to send a tax organizer? Yeah, you really do. And here's why. There are, first of all, some due diligence requirements. Section 1022 of Circular 230 basically states that you're going to do some basic due diligence. Now, that doesn't mean you have to audit your client, but you need a basis for what is claimed on the return. Now, I know you're thinking, well, I could probably get that from backup documents, and that's true. But the thing about the organizer is it is your get out of malpractice free or jail free. Because I can tell you right now, I have many accountants who've called me over the last 26 years during tax season. Special agents have shown up. They have questions about last year's return about a particular client. Now, when they show up in your office, you don't have to call the client. There are already two agents at the client's door, too. They do this so that you can't get on the same page. And that client is going to blame you. They don't even know what it is yet. They're blaming you. It's human response, right? To protect themselves. The organizer proves what the client gave you and didn't give you. And most clients, as you know, don't want to fill it in. It's very expensive to send, etc. So for all the reasons you should automate your practice, the due diligence requirements, and protect yourself, automate the organizer. Use the automated organizer. Clients have to upload through it. It is a complete paper trail of what they gave you and didn't give you and what they gave you, what they claimed. Or did they forget to tell you about the other labor they were paying cash under the table? I hope you never have to deal with that, but trust me, it happens all the time. I make a living doing this. So use an automated organizer, and yes, you need to send it. The best part is it costs a fraction of the price of those paper organizers. You're going to get way more of them back. And with Liscio, if the client doesn't use it, you don't pay for it. That's big.